Hi, I'm Paula Doyle and I'm here in my studio today to tell you about Easy Stack quilts. I have a few of them to show you. Basically, Easy Stack quilts are a variation of the so-called stack and whack quilts. But this is an easier version for beginners, and also you won't get any fabric wastage with these. Of course, the whole idea of stacking means that you have a large repeat print fabric for the quilt. And if I've done my job correctly, this should be 4 identical repeats of the print. And you can see that it is. Now those 4 squares will actually fit together in 4 different ways. So for example, I could put all the blue leaves into the center, and you can see how that would form a really beautiful block that way.